welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Nkirate and this is Olive Nkirate rebranded. So guys, thank you so much for being part of this family. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button that is just down below. Welcome to the ONI family. Here we talk about business, crypto, finance and all that good stuff. So I know you've clicked on this video because of the title and I'm going to go right into it. So, cryptocurrency world, there are many cryptocurrencies or coins that you can invest in. So the thing is, most people are aware about BTC and ETH, and that is Bitcoin and Ether. However, there are other altcoins that are in the cryptocurrency realm. And if you go to www.coinmarketcap.com, you will see that, guys, there are so many coins. We have 9,548 cryptocurrency coins. So there are coins that are known as altcoins, and there are so many, like, guys, there are too many. Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and an altcoin is essentially all the coins that are not Bitcoin. So all the coins that you see here, guys, all the 9,661 minus Bitcoin, so 9,660 are altcoins. All the coins that are not Bitcoin are known as altcoins. So I don't think I was clear in the video, but I hope now you're aware. So yes, Ethereum is an altcoin, Binance coin is an altcoin, DOGECOIN is an altcoin, Cardano is an altcoin, and all the rest of the coin. Okay, and one of them is Doge. So Doge is an altcoin, and it's a coin that I'm going to give you guys a brief story about it. It's a coin that was created to make fun. It's also known as a meme coin, and hence why every time you see Doge, you see a dog, the picture of a dog meme next to the coin. So the founders of DOGECOIN have stated that they started this coin as a joke. So a few things, guys, that you might not know about Doge is the dog that represents the coin is actually an internet meme that became popular in 2013. So it's a Shiba Inu dog. Another thing I found out is the coin was launched by two engineers, Marcus and Palmer. That's EMEA in December 2013. So they thought to themselves, you know what, this is funny, let's just create a coin. And if you read the backstory, you will learn that they made this coin using a guide on the internet. Like, it was just a joke. Even when they released the coin, they did not have coins that they had hodled themselves. They did not pre-mine some coins and hold. And then the third thing is, it is actually the first cryptocurrency coin to be based on an internet meme. So hence why it's called a meme coin, because it was a meme. So there is actually a potential of other meme coins rising because of how Doge has performed. If you look at Doge, it doesn't have a limited supply. So most people who mine Doge are people with a miner that can also mine Litecoin. If you're mining Litecoin, you can essentially mine Doge. For example, the way Bitcoin is considered a cryptocurrency with value, it's like the gold of cryptocurrency. People are buying to hold it. The value is going up and people are trying to keep it as a store of value like gold. While Ethereum is like oil, because Ethereum, the blockchain itself, and if you would like to know more about Ethereum, I'd advise you to watch my video, What Are NFTs? Because NFTs are assets or tokens that are created on the Ethereum blockchain. So for me to explain Ethereum blockchain, just to watch that video, you will kind of understand why I'm calling Ether oil and I'm calling BTC gold. So now the other coins have different use cases that they intend to do in the blockchain network. As much as most of them haven't reached the heights of BTC and Ether, they are all growing systematically and slowly, and that's why we say the future of crypto is major, guys. Doge as a coin doesn't really have a use case, and also Doge has been speculatively growing in price because of one, Elon Musk. Elon Musk has been such a hype master of this coin, therefore the price of the coin is just soaring. You can consider social media another reason, because people are doing TikToks about Doge, people are urging their followers to buy Doge. Like, Doge has no use case. So people are speculating that Doge will be like a currency to use in your everyday life. You'll be able to go to a shop and pay for shoes with Doge. That's the assumption, and that's the hope that most people in the Doge community are praying for. It doesn't have a limited supply, meaning you can mine as much Doge as you can. Guys, like, if you look at many coins like BTC, like Binance, like XRP, most of these coins have a limited supply because this is where the value comes. But with Doge, there is no limited supply, so we can mine Doge forever and ever and ever. So now let me get to the story as to how I have made money with this coin, how exactly I found myself invested in Doge, and how exactly that investment has created me over $500. So let's get into that part of the video. Invested in Doge. So, another disclaimer, guys, and I feel like I need to be saying this, I am really not a financial advisor. I am a girl on YouTube who loves to research, who loves knowledge, and I come and share with you guys my findings, my life experience on YouTube. So please don't consider this financial advice. So this is going to be a story time. Please do not judge me for this. I'm just telling you as it is. So on 7th October 2020, I invested and bought 1,500 Doge. Yes, 1,500 Doge. And I'll show you guys coin market cap. 1,500 Doge at that particular time was, one Doge was like 0.2 Kenya shillings. Guys, 0.2, yani 20 cents. It's not even one bob, it's 20 cents. So for my 1,500 Doge, I actually spent 300 shillings to buy this coin. So you're probably wondering, Olive, like, why did you buy this coin? Like, what was the sole reason and the sole purpose of you buying this coin? I'm in a group of friends who we are into cryptocurrency. So we are always looking for ways to, you know, learn about crypto. What are the new tech things that have been updated in the network? So we are always just looking to learn. We are always looking to try new things. So one of our friends reached out to us and was like, guys, I've learned about a crypto gambling site. And we were like, tell us more. So in this crypto gambling site, what you do is you can easily put your cryptos there and gamble your cryptos, and I mean, you could double, you could lose, but it's essentially a gambling site. You roll the dice, and if odds are on your favor, you win, and if odds are not on your favor, you lose. So when they brought this up, I mean, it was up to you to say, okay, me, I'm going to try, I'm not about gambling, it's not in my line of thoughts, I'm not going to do it. But the Olive in me was very intrigued, because I mean, crypto gambling site, I'm going to try. I have nothing to lose. I have a lot to lose, actually. So we log into Prime Dice, and I remember in Prime Dice there are different coins you can invest in. There's BTC, there's Ether, there's all types of coins. I'll probably show you guys. There's so many coins. And one of them was like, guys, let's do Doge. And we were like, why Doge? And they were like, Doge is so cheap, we can invest a bit of money and double our money faster with Doge. To be honest, one Doge was 0.2 bob. So when you bought 300 bob worth of Doge, that's 1,500 Doge. So you would gamble it and play, roll the dice, and then you would eventually get to the minimum withdrawing fee of 10,000 Doge. So 10,000 Doge at the time was 2,000 Kenya shillings, guys. Man, my friend group started you know, playing with the gambling side, and let me tell you guys, these guys are withdrawing. So like every day they used to hit 10,000 Doge, then they withdraw 10,000 Doge, and then they withdraw. But then the thing is, they weren't rolling the dice kivyao. So my friends are very crypto savvy, so they found out from other gamblers on the website that there's something called a bot or a robot that does the gambling for you. So you have to buy this bot. Obviously they're not going to give you for free unless you know them or your friends, and since we had just found out about this website, we had to buy the bot. So we changad, we bought the bot. So what you do, the bot is like code. You put the code in some place in the website, so they put in the code for you, and you just play, and then the robot does the work for you, guys. It just bets for you. So I was like, sign me up. I mean, I don't have to do it. It's doing it for me. I was too excited. So we all shared this bot, and I don't think that was smart, because what happened is I think the bot eventually learned the algorithm of how we were doing things and now started to make us lose. However, the first people who had the bot withdrew. So I think they withdrew almost like for 5 days, 2K, 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 2K. And Olive did not withdraw a dime. Guys, I used to play this bot. When I'm about to withdraw, I never even reached 10,000, let's be honest. I think I reached 6,000 at some point. Then I lost the money again. Then I'm trying to grow it again. So I honestly started to feel like it was wasting my time. And I got disappointed because I really lose. And then I try to play again. And then I reach almost withdrawing, I lose again. So I was like, you know what, I think the bot doesn't like me. It likes everyone else, but it doesn't like me. So out of anger and frustration, I stopped gambling. So I told them, you know what guys, I'm not doing this anyway, so let me just bounce. And I left whatever Doge was in that account and moved on with my life. So guys, fast forward to Olive in 2021 April. One of my friends we were gambling with actually reminds us and goes like, by the way guys, have you been seeing what's going on in the news? This DOGECOIN is a hit and all, but we were already not going to invest in Doge in 2021. So even when Elon was hyping it, we knew it is not a coin that you should invest in, and it's that type of coin you just need to make your money and chuck. Like if you invest in Doge for too long, you will be left with those coins when they're worthless. So in our minds, we were like, no, it's okay. And you know, the thing is, in crypto, you don't buy when the news are out. When people are talking about it, just know you're late. Like that's the rule of cryptocurrency. You see the way CNBC and all these news platforms are like, Doge, Doge, Doge. If you see that, that is not the time you buy. That is the time you sell. So we knew we weren't investing in Doge. But then one of us was like, by the way, guys, do you guys have Doge in your wallet? So remember we used to gamble it last year in October. And we were like, by the way. So instantly, I go to primedice.com. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need my login details. I get my book, I have my login details, I'm excited. I open the wallet, and I remember it was, I think I even posted it on Instagram, guys, and I think I'll show you a video. I open my wallet, and yo, guys, I have 730 Doge. And as you guys can see, this is my account, only in Kish, and I've gone to my wallet, and I have 730 Doge. What the f, guys? Like the way I didn't even know I was using Doge. I'm like, oh, wait. So everyone else in the group, only me and another friend of ours actually had Doge in their wallets. The rest had wiped out their wallets last year when they were withdrawing. So these guys were withdrawing like 2K, 2K, 2K. So me and my other friend, I had 738. He had 440 something Doge. But we were the only guys who had Doge. And at that time, guys, let me even do for you the calculation. The time I noticed, Doge was at 0.3 if I'm not wrong. And when you say 0.3, which is 30 bob, because $0.3, that's like 30 bob. So when you multiply 730 Doge to 30 bob, guys, that is $200 plus, okay? So instantly, guys, I am looking at my wallet and I have 20K, and I was just like, what? Are you kidding me? Anyway, guys, I am going to continue this video in the next episode. I want you to stay tuned for part 2 because I'm about to tell you what happened after that, like how the ride has been. So definitely subscribe if you haven't, definitely push on the notification bell, and stay tuned for part 2 because it's about to get hot. And if you haven't watched my cryptocurrency playlist, I'm going to have it linked in the description box below. If you've been looking to buy a cold wallet for your cryptos, I have a link down below on a cold wallet that you should purchase. Yo guys, stay tuned for part 2 because it's about to get lit. But anyway, guys, don't forget to start where you are is what you have, and do what you can. So yeah, bye guys, see you in part 2.